was holy for everybody.
First class. First
And I believe tomorrow again is a holiday. Is it?
No.
No? Some banks are closed.
कल
It's
क्या है कुछ नहीं
कल कुछ है हॉलीडे है बट पता नहीं इट इज नॉट बैंक हॉलीडे नहीं है शायद
Not compulsory.
Okay.
ऑप्शनल कुछ है
Okay. The best way after a holiday, yesterday only, is today to talk on this beautiful subject. Stop worrying. Start living. Overcome anger, fear, depression, anxiety, stress, pain, tension, mention this and that and everything.
ये everything क्या है
Part 1. Some introduction.
You want an introduction on part 1? Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
I also would like to summarize.
Okay, I'll cover that. I was in Raipur last week. Raipur is in Chhattisgarh.
MP
MP, Chhattisgarh. Capital of Chhattisgarh now. And in Raipur, close to the capital, there is a huge forest.
जगदलपुर
And in that forest, there is a story about a lion, Sher, the king of that forest, whose name is Sher Khan. Now this Sher Khan was a ferocious lion, as all lions are, and he went on a spree of killing prey left, right, center. सामने आया तो मार देता था, सामने नहीं आया दूर जाके मारता था, चाहे उसे भूख लगी हो या न लगी हो. So all the animals of the jungle were very frightened and they called for a conference. And in that conference, they said, क्या करें, इस तरह से मरेंगे तो we will all vanish. So let us decide amongst ourselves, and it was decided that we will send a delegation to the king Sher Khan and tell him, please stop killing us so mercilessly. Every morning for your meal, it is my Pradhan's responsibility कि I am going to send you an animal from which you can have your fill. Sher Khan thought for a while. And he said, not a bad idea. घर बैठे बैठे शिकार आ रहा है, I can eat my fill. Why should I go in the thorny jungles and in the heat? Regularly, next day से आने लगे. तकरीबन 25 दिन बाद, it was the turn of खरगोश to be sent to the lion. Now, जब you are the bali का बकरा, as they say, you naturally are frightened. So Mr. Rabbit, Raipur का rabbit, was very frightened. क्या करूं? रात भर नींद नहीं आ रही थी. He said, दिमाग ठंडा रखो अपना, सो जाओ, सुबह की सुबह देखेंगे.
शायद उन्होंने आपका इंटरव्यू तो किया होगा
पॉसिबल. तो सुबह 8 बजे अपने बिल से निकला खरगोश to go to the king. He was supposed to reach there at 9 o'clock. But he did not reach. शेर खां अनॉइड 9:30 बज गए, मेरा रैबिट अभी तक आया नहीं. आज के रोस्टर में लिखा हुआ, डायरी में लिखा है, रायपुर का रैबिट आएगा. मेनू में रायपुर का रैबिट. 9:45 बज गए, 10 बजे नहीं आया. शेर एकदम खोखार से गरजाने लगा. Suddenly, at 10:05, the rabbit appears in front of the Sher Khan. Sher Khan expressed his anger. He says, तेरा तो मैं फ्लैश नहीं, तेरी हड्डी पसली, ये वो एंड तैन पूरा चबा के खा जाऊंगा. He said, Master, do as you please. But listen to me for a moment. Just when I was coming to you to reach here, 15 minutes from here, another lion stopped me. And he said, "Tu uske paas kahan se ja raha hai? I am the king of this jungle." The rabbit said, "No, we've been told he's the king." He said, "Go and tell him that I am the king. Just tell him that and come back to me." रैबिट ने कहानी सुनाई, शेर को आ गया गुस्सा और भी ज्यादा। He said, "चल," उसने अपनी लंगोट कसी, कहती है चल। He took him a few hundred yards away and asked him, "Mr. Raipur rabbit, tell me where is that lion you were talking about?" He said, "वो देखिए, कुआं है ना, उसके अंदर है बैठा हुआ." The king looked down and lo and behold, in the water he saw his reflection. थोड़ा सा तो उसको शौक लगा, but still उसने अपना करेज दिखाना था, उसने खूब गरजाया as मेट्रो गोल्डन मायर पिक्चर वाला लाइन। नीचे से गूंज वापस आई। He says, "ये तो मुझे चैलेंज दे रहा है." Rabbit said, "Yes sir, चैलेंज दे रहा, आप कूद के उसको मार डालो." Sheer jumped inside. Sheer died. Rabbit lived.
Right.
All other animals also.
Also lived happily. Lesson of the story: gussa, anger, what it can do to you.
Oh.
You may be mighty strong, you may have money, you may have a lot of powers, physical strength, hold, etc., etc. आपने अपना आपा खो दिया गए काम से, और एक छोटा सा छुछुंदर सा रैबिट can win over you, who was afraid the previous evening, fear, by applying his mind with equanimity, thinking how to survive. Good story.
Yes, very good.
This is from the Panchtantra class. रायपुर मैंने इसलिए कहा, यूं Indian context में लाने के लिए. Okay, we talked last time about the same thing, and in part 1 we drew some very beautiful lessons. I'm going to recapitulate those lessons so that some of us who are coming for the first time are on the same grade. Anger, fear, anxiety, depression, stress, tension, name it, any negative. These are the termites of life. आपको अंदर से खोखला कर देते हैं, आप ढह जाओगे. And what we had decided is, we will not try to use words like we are going to control them, because anything we try and control, sooner or later we lose control. We will overpower them. And today we are going to do some techniques practically on how to overpower them. Last time we had written the same 3 steps. I had purposely left them blank. And I had requested participants कि आप लोग बताइए what are the steps. We came out with only 2 steps and we did not cover the 3rd step. We will do all 3, and these are new and different and very interesting steps. Can somebody read one by one? Second point.
पाँव गरम पेट
पाँव गरम. Physical fitness is very important. Once you are physically fit, you will be able to control other things also. So पाँव अपने गरम रखिए.
Eat now.
Eat well. Don't overstuff yourself. Eat healthy, nutritious food.
माता ठंडा.
बिल्कुल ठंडा, मिस्टर खरगोश. माता बिल्कुल ठंडा.
न्यूट्रिशस में नॉन-वेज चलता है कि नहीं?
सब चलता है, आपकी मर्जी, आपको फिट होता है तो चलता है।
सही पूछ
The gentleman hasn't come. Who said this?
Yes, yes. Next.
मन शीतल वाणी मीठी.
Man Sheetal Vani. Nothing in life will go wrong. You will be able to overcome all these things and lead a happy life. Man Sheetal Vani Mithi. I remember my wife, she's a very spiritual lady. She had a talk the other day on the power of laughter. And every full moon we have meditation at our home. Somebody on the phone very close to her once was talking to her. And that young gentleman told her, "Ki Chandra, I think you're the greatest idiot in the world." She said, "Yes, you're absolutely right. If I was not an idiot, I would not be talking to you." मन शीतल वाणी मीठी, जो कहना है कह दीजिए. Never raise your voice. ठंडे दिमाग से you can address the same thing very politely, very nice. Incidentally, these 5 tattvas have another 2 which we are not covering now based on your chakras. One is your Mooladhara chakra and one your Sahasrara chakra. How to add on certain feelings in that so that then you are completely bliss. But we are dealing only with the practical aspects, normal human beings. So we are covering only 5 today. Third point. Anybody can read it out. Sir, you.
We spend so much time, energy and money to take care of our body.
That's it. Everybody is going to a gym today. जिसको देखो अपने डोले बना रहा, मसल बना रहा, साइकिलिंग कर रहा है. How much time do we spend to build up our emotional muscle? 0. How much time do we devote to our children to help them develop their emotional muscle? Please develop. I'm not saying sirf sunana ki how to be good, etc. Make sure that these words which we tell our children, which we tell our young brothers, sisters, friends, get implemented. We don't do it. We don't do it. And we don't set examples also. Personal example is very important. A child will listen to what you are saying, but he will also going to watch what his mother, father, brother, sister, elders are doing. And he learns more by that. There are beautiful TV advertisements where father tells the child कि झूठ नहीं बोलना चाहिए, and then suddenly he sees him following झूठ on any innocent thing. For you it may be a small thing, for child it is कि मुझे बोलता है झूठ मत बोलो, खुद झूठ बोल रहा है. In the army, they taught us a very beautiful thing. Not only should you be honest, you should also be seen to be honest. Your honesty should be seen, your good behavior should be seen, that you are not angry should be seen, that you are not afraid. My daddy is strongest should be seen. That you are continuously happy and injecting happiness into children must be seen. You should be able to create laughter where you are, happiness where you are. How many times we go to the parties or to somebody's house or somebody comes and says, "ये कौन आ गया यार?" मायूसी का माहौल लेके आते हैं. और कई आते हैं तो we feel so happy कि वाह यार बहुत अच्छा लगा आप आ गए. Which is why if you go to a gathering, there are 2 types of people. One type will come in and say, "Hi, here I am." Another type will say, "I'm very glad you are here." See the shift. The moment you give importance to the other one, you are spreading happiness. and likewise in return happiness shall come to thee. It's like a fixed deposit. अभी नहीं मिलेगा, 10 दिन बाद मिलेगा, महीने बाद मिलेगा, साल बाद मिलेगा. इनके में ऊपर मैंने इन्वेस्ट किया हैप्पीनेस में, इनसे नहीं मिलेगा, इनसे मिल जाएगा, बट मिलेगा जरूर. Am I right, sir?
Yes.
Good. What's the next one?
What we need to do is also build our emotional muscles.
Correct. Next point, sir.
Yeah, God will forgive us our sins, our anger, etc. But our nervous system will not.
Yes.
Never. हम लोग कहते हैं ना भगवान माफ कर दे यार, गुस्सा हुआ था, गलती हो गई है, वो कहता है ठीक है तथास्तु, माफ कर दिया. तू गुस्सा हुआ था, तू झगड़ा किया था, तूने चपेट मार दी थी, तू मायूस था, तूने मायूसी फैलाई, तूने किसी का दुख दिखाया दिलाया, जिसे भगवान माफ कर दे. मंदिर में जाते हो, मस्जिद में जाते हो, कहीं जाते हो, हाथ देखते हो, इसे माफ किया. उसने तो कर दिया, उसका काम ही है माफ करना, लेकिन आपका नर्वस सिस्टम ये ऊपर से नीचे तक 72,000 nadees and God knows which many points and how many cells in them already chemicals have been generated which are detrimental and harmful for your good development, growth, physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally, everything. Anyone say? Anyone, just speak. Anyone, feel free.
Liver in water, water
Leave it over.
live in water, right
Water tight
days.
days.
Watertight days, live in the now, one day at a time. The journey of 1,000 miles begin with one step.
Live in watertight days. I'll re-explain. When you are in the army, you are taken for familiarization with the Air Force and with the Navy. And if you ever go to the sea and if you have traveled by an ocean liner, the captain has a button. Should water enter anywhere in the ship, he presses that button and tuck, 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 gates come down. And jahan pani aaya hai, that area gets segregated and pani will not enter anywhere else. So the ship has been divided into watertight compartments. In management terms, that's why I say watertight enclosure discussion. From this we derived a lesson. Your life should also be converted into watertight days. Live in the now, today. जो कल था वो बीत गया, उसको आज पे असर मत करने दो. आने वाला कल गुड थिंग है नहीं, उसके बारे सोचो. Have that vision. Act today to build up a good tomorrow, but don't let it influence you into just thoughts and inactivity today. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. This many of us would have heard during the times of Mao Zedong, when the communists started taking over China. But it was said thousands of years earlier by a person, a great philosopher called Lao Tzu. We will have a separate talk on Lao Tzu. He has written 83 couplets, just that. Probably if you sit, you can read that whole 83 pages with 83 couplets in 1 hour. But to understand it, we can spend a lifetime. We'll do that once.
Tame your mind, train your mind. Tame your mind and train your mind.
Oh, 6. Doesn't matter. We'll go over to the 6 later. Tame your mind, train your mind. When we did the first part, we showed a picture of Buddha. And we said, and all of us agreed, that we are nothing else but our thoughts. जो आप सोचते हो, वही आप हो. And then we gave a couple of examples. We gave the example of Arunima Sinha, a lady who lost one leg in a railway accident. And today she is running and has climbed Mount Everest. We gave other examples of ladies, etc. Prajwala. She was a lady who in her early teens was gang raped, and instead of getting frustrated and angry, she channelized her emotions and is today rescuing prostitutes, trafficked girls, their children, training them and having them gainfully employed. You talk to her, she says, मेरे दिल में गुस्सा नहीं है, दुख भी नहीं है, बट मेरा ये उद्देश्य अब है इस वजह से, just to rescue and help people. We talked of Mahatma Gandhi, how he was thrown out of a train, and from a Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, who was very angry as a barrister, I'm sure inside when he was thrown out, but he channelized his anger to lead a movement which not only gave us freedom, but gave a lesson to the entire humanity of Ahimsa. And from a Atma, he became a Mahatma. And all of us have that potential. All of us have that potential of becoming Mahatmas, provided we channelize ourselves and align our life towards spiritual development. When I say spiritual development, not for a moment should it be misconstrued that I am suggesting don't do your worldly duties. Please do them passionately, vigorously, unfailingly. Which is why in the previous point it is written, from the outside be with the world. Apne karam karo, whatever God, Ishwar, Allah has sent you for, do those karmas passionately, vigorously, diligently. From the inside, stay connected with God, stay connected with your higher self, stay connected with your higher conscious, and always let your center remain calm, undisturbed. Nothing should affect it. This is the essence of life. This is said in Gita. This is said in Bible. This is said in the Quran. This is said in all scriptures throughout the world. And it comes with continuous practice. It comes with diligent practice. You will face odds. You will face hurdles. And the moment you resolve and take stands to face them and not crumble, the next time such a difficulty comes, you will find things a lot easier. Because people, the world will start treating you the way you want to be treated. And they now know that yes, this man is a man of principles and stands. He may be malleable, but he stands with conviction for what is right. While talking about all this, we have also said it is very important to love yourself. Love thy neighbor, yes. Love yourself also. Which is why the greatest ahimsa saint, Mahavir Jaina, what did he say? Jio or Jeene do. He didn't say Jeene do and Jio.
Live and let.
Live and first live yourself.
Live and let.
And live in a way that you live well, but without stamping on others. If you live well but don't let the other live well, no. Your and my life is a failure. Somebody can read the next one, please.
There is a Sanskrit saying, anger, fear, worry, depression, anxiety burn the living, just like the funeral pyre burns the dead.
कहते हैं ना जीते जी मर रहे हो. Exactly in Sanskrit there is a saying like that. Just 2 lines. Unfortunately I don't know Sanskrit. I read it and the translation was there and I thought it is very apt for today's gathering between us. Do you want to die before your death? No. You were sent here. We were all sent here to live a very happy life. That is the original nature. To be happy, to lead a wholesome life. But we lead a life, most of us, trying to imitate, copy others, and thereby lose our originality. If you are not original, sooner or later you and me will crumble. चाइना का माल 6 दिन चलेगा, 7वें दिन चले नहीं चले पता नहीं. This is my favorite. Ingmar Poilo, will you please explain it?
Let it be, right?
Yes.
This is a Mizo word, and Sir had mentioned that that is the normal. It is being used in normal conversation. Sir, I think you know.
Yes, absolutely. The army has taught me very beautiful things, and my initial years in the 70s, 69, 70 were spent in Mizoram. Those were the days of insurgency. Like happens in insurgency, there are a lot of problems, both sides. Innocents are shot dead also, by force of circumstances, not by wanting it. But everybody would follow only one word, no matter what happened. Okay, I'm so sorry you had the trouble because of the curfew that was imposed. You tell the villagers, they say, Ingmar Poilo, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. किसी का पैर उड़ गया था माइन में. I'm so sorry you lost your leg. You are so innocent. But either the MNF, Mizo National Front people, or somebody has put it there. Ingmar Poilo, doesn't matter. So beautiful. I have 100% seen all children always happy there. Elders always happy there. No parent would ever scold his or her child. They would grow up in a natural environment of love and care by everybody, with full faith in God. And for that they use the term, Lalpa is there. मर गया तुम्हारे घर में बड़ा दुख हुआ. Oh, no, Ingmar Poilo, Lalpa. God wanted it to happen, so it has happened. Nothing matters. And please remember, we are all in transit here.
Passengers on the railway platform.
Railway platform. Transit lounge. We all have to come and go, and रास्ते में जो तकलीफें आती हैं, please remember वो तकलीफें जाएंगी. Nothing is permanent. हम सब ने, आप सब ने न जाने कितनी तकलीफें सही होंगी आज तक. कुछ रहा है सब? सबसे उभर के निकल के आए हैं हम लोग. We have come out everything. And when you look at those incidents which seemed so enormous and insurmountable at that point of time, look so ridiculous and silly today. Which is why the Bible says, this too shall pass. Everything shall pass. काल चक्र है. अच्छा समय आएगा, बुरा समय आएगा. How you deal with it is important. It is not that the rich people, the famous people, the successful people do not have problems. They probably have more problems than you and me. But they have that one quality. They fight and know how to overcome them. And they also know that all battles are not to be fought. Some of them they let go. I remember years ago, the Tata company was in a dispute over a land or a hotel in Jammu and Kashmir. And the elder Tata, a court case was going on. He simply said, not worth it, leave it. I will be wasting more time, energy, fighting it, earning a bad name. I can, in that much money and energy, build 10 more hotels. Give up the case. We also talked last time how important it is to be kind, compassionate, considerate. Caring for others. Do you know when the blast took place here in Bombay and Taj and Oberoi and so many hotels, Kasab, etc. was going on? The director of HRD came up with a plan. He said, you had asked us what can we do for them. So we will give this to this much, our employees will give this much, पान की दुकान जो साइड में थी उसको ये देंगे और इसको वो देंगे. For 1.5 hours, Mr. Ratan Tata heard everybody out. Any other corporate would have given whatever they said, thank you very much, a very good plan, good you're doing. His remark was, I don't think we are doing enough. That's the Tata culture. I do not think we are doing enough. That whole exercise kept on happening, I think, for 4 months till somebody asked Mr. Tata, how much more? He said, you keep doing that much more till I tell you stop. That is Tata culture, that is compassion, that is kindness, going beyond. There is no measure for compassionate kindness and love. कि मैं इनसे सिर्फ हाथ मिलाऊंगा, गले मिलाऊंगा, तो चला जाऊंगा और गुड और फिर महीने में एक बार कॉल करता. I should be caring and concerned about him every waking moment, every sleeping moment. I should think about how is he, what else can I do? What else can I do? That is humanity. I've spent the last 1 month between that talk and this. Randomly, I read newspapers only generally for looking at what classical program, music programs, etc. But I found something very interesting. Pictures from the riots, Godhra riots. I'm not here to accuse anybody. I am looking at humanity's face of anger. And how can you be joyous and feel victorious when another is being tortured or suffering? Which is exactly what Mahatma Gandhi ji had said. I marvel at mankind's insensitivity to feel pleasure in the pain of others. And here in the next picture is the man who's suffering, begging for his life. Same human being, same 5.5 liters of blood, same hair, nose, throat, everything. What anger can do, what fear can do. But then there is always hope. Today, the same two people are sharing a dais of friendship where they have proclaimed each other as brothers in a certain town of South India. Humanity has hope. Let not a moment's anger lead you astray from the correct path. Another beautiful thing which I picked up. Can you read this in yellow? Please read it. Loud.
Yeah. You will not be punished for your anger. You will be punished by your anger. Gautam Buddha.
There you are. You will be punished by your anger. आदमी के दिमाग में क्या कब होता है समझ ही नहीं आता है. Here is a headline. Will you read it, doctor?
This Nana Super? Man asked to vacate rented flat leads to death from 10-story building at Milano.
How many approve of this? A man who's staying in a rented flat, asked to vacate, jumps to his death, depression. Is there logic in it? If anybody supports such an act, हाथ खड़ा कर दे. Why did it happen?
I can't see any solution.
Yes. And there was no support system that human connect with somebody. अभी भी रेंट में रह रहा, दूसरा रेंट में मिल जाएगा. Do you know statistically over 64% people in Bombay are staying in rented apartments? When family love, जो हम लोग पार्ट 1 में कह रहे थे कि एक दूसरे को प्यार की सिर्फ बातें न करके be available, दिन रात उनके बारे में सोचो, ये सब नहीं होगा. When you feel left alone, this is the time such things happen. So make friends. Nobody may come to you seeking help. Please offer help where you can. बोलो I'm available. ढिंडोरा पीटो. Just like we ढिंडोरा पीटे, आज मेरे घर में पार्टी है, बोला I'm available यार, कोई मदद चाहिए कभी बताना. That's a very interesting story. Can you read it, sir?
17-year-old Bikoli boy kills himself because of exam stress.
This is an incident of a 17-year-old boy committing suicide because of exam stress. Stress किसने डाला? Where does it start from?
Parents, teachers.
Parents, teachers, peers. The first thing is home. Parents,
Expectations.
expectations. No need. No need. Today when you go back, please talk to your sons, children's, brothers, friends. A failure in exam is not a failure in life. Statistically, if you carry out a study of the top 1 lakh people of the world, none of them have been academically brilliant.
World is run by average man.
Average man. Which brings me to this beautiful story of my friend. कुछ भी हो सकता है. Take all your children, go with them. See this play. This man failed in his school exams in Shimla. He and his father said, कोई बात नहीं बच्चों, चल पार्टी करते हैं. And they had a grand party in Shimla. And look at life's turn. Because of the encouragement from home. This man is one of the most brilliant actors. He has a dancing training academy for actors. My own sister Saroj Nagi, who's quite a good journalist, she never got double-digit marks in arithmetic in school. 6 number, 7 number. Once she got 11 marks out of 100 and she came back double happy telling my uneducated mother कि मेरे को तो double digit में number आए and we celebrated. Today she is earning 5 lakh rupees a month. Where is that 2 plus 2 or 2 plus 6 which she turned? No, doesn't matter. Engma Poilo. Doesn't matter. And here is a contrast. What does it say?
16-year-old cancer patient juggles standard 10 board exams and chemotherapy sessions.
There is a student who commits suicide. Here is a student. She doesn't know whether she is going to live this year, next year or not, suffering from cancer, admitted in hospital in Mulund, going for her exams. Hope. आखिरी दम तक कुछ न कुछ करना है. Any of you interested, please go and meet this girl. I am going this week to meet her. Another beautiful story. Everybody recognizes this man.
The question was that girl. I mean, can she? Is it so important for her in her life to worry about exams and all that? Who knows how much life she has?
Exam is not important. Progress is important to do something. What you are doing is different. To be Mr. Mukesh Ambani, Mr. Bill Gates don't even know the trillion of dollars and rupees they have. Yet Mr. Mukesh Ambani wakes up at 5:30 in the morning, sleeps at 11:30 or 12 o'clock at night, not because he needs the money. He has to prove to himself that he can perform better and better. Just like Arunima Sinha, it's not important for her to cover those 100 meters of climb and the rest. It's to prove yourself that I am alive. At this moment, she is alive. Exam is not important. Doing a thing is important.
Attitude.
Attitude is important. Therefore, in all cases of depression, incidentally, this talk is totally non-clinical in nature. We are not dissecting क्या होता है, कैसे brain होता है, क्यों depression आता है, क्यों गुस्सा आता है, कहाँ cells जाते हैं, कहाँ cells आते हैं. This is non-clinical and curative. That is why for all depression cases, one solution: get up, get dressed, and go.
Get moved.
Get moving and do what somebody asked me. I said, I don't know, but just get out, you'll find something to do.
Sir, may I share one case?
Please do.
Recently, I met a 12-year-old boy. At the age of when he was 4-year-old, some rare blood disease was diagnosed. His father is in Gulf, so he is able to, like, every month they are able to spend 60,000 on his this treatment. But this child at the age of 5, he felt that what about those 2,000 plus children every year who are dying and they don't have any of this treatment available. So he started performing those magic show at the age of 5.
There you are.
And now it seems he has performed 3,000 shows at the age of 12. And any time he can die. And I felt so much ashamed of myself after meeting him.
Let's give a clap to this boy whom we don't know, but whom we all admire.
And so
May-
now he has got a foundation, and
Yes.
Prahlad Kakkar and Dr. Rashid, etc., who is famous. So they are all member of the trust, and they are
That's-
giving treatment here.
Wonderful. It is good. Take the case of Viktor Frankl.
There you
Yeah,
are.
Search of
Frankl,
meaning.
yeah.
Nazi concentration
Yeah,
camp.
concentration.
Very
You
good.
don't know when you will die.
Yeah, that's
I mean,
true.
he came out with that and written that beautiful book,
Beautiful
Yes.
book,
In the
yeah.
Search of Meaning.
In the search
Yes.
of meaning. Yeah. I have that book.
Here is this man, designer, Wendell Rodrigues.
But, yeah.
This article may seem about him in so much. These 4 lines are important. He present during his Padma Shri was a 64-year-old lady who just that day had got her MBA degree. She doesn't need it for a job. It is just utilizing your life. My mother was totally uneducated, Shahi Unpad. I lost my father very young. Somehow she started learning, reading, writing, I don't know how and where. And by the time my brother had children, that means her grandchildren, she was teaching them English, she was teaching them arithmetic.
Very good.
Yeah.
So that's it. Be useful to yourself so that you can be useful to others.
Self-development.
Self-development.
Beyond limits.
Yes, yes, yes. Appears a filmy story, how many times? It says, Ishq kills writer, walks out, etc. This is the story of a lady called Shagufta Rafiq. Does anybody know her life story? Born in certain circumstances at the tender age of about 16 or so, in order to support her family and her sick mother, because everybody else discarded her, including left by her father. She got into prostitution. She became a bar dancer. She became a call girl, would travel to far-flung Middle East countries to earn her money, has seen it in its shoddiest form, life. Today, she's a successful scriptwriter in films. Shagufta Rafiq. You go to her blog, you read her story. Anybody else would have been bitter with life and depressed. She faced the present, what was now, and came out of it to a future of which she had vision. Shagufta Rafiq. And she has said the story in her own words.
Exceptional person.
See?
Exceptional person.
Exceptional. All of us are exceptional. We just have to tap our potential. Here is the story of another exceptional woman, Kalpana Saroj. How many have heard of her? Nobody. I normally don't like talking about caste, creed, etc. But she is a Dalit woman from Aurangabad and beyond. As happens in those villages, she was married off at the age of 14 to a person 10 to 12 years her elder, a drunkard who would beat her up mercilessly every day. She ran away from that marriage, came back to her father in the village. The village literally ostracized her. विलेज में रहना, if you stayed in a village, बहुत मुश्किल होता है. दिन रात ताने लगते हैं, सुनना पड़ता है और
कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
कहने वाला तो कह के चला जाता है, लेकिन जिसने सुना उसके दिमाग में 24 घंटे वो घूमता रहता है, बिकॉज़ माहौल ही वैसा है.
सही बात.
She left that village, came to an uncle in Bombay, lived in a chawl. This was about 25 years ago, 30 years ago. Started working on a sewing machine, earning 2 rupees a day. Diligently worked her way up in that organization. Had a passion for achieve, and incidentally, in between she tried to commit suicide as a case of depression. मुंह से foam निकल रहा था, etc. She was taken in the hospital and somehow survived. Then she said, "Is that my life? कि मैं हार जाऊंगी?" No, मैं हारने वालों में से नहीं हूँ. I have not died after trying to commit suicide. God has some higher plan for me. Let me not disrupt His plans. She worked her way up. She got into making buildings. She took over a mini fabrication unit which was manufacturing these Godrej type almirahs, steel almirahs. Today, 3 years back, she is worth over 1,000 crores. She has taken over Kamani Steel Tubes, which was a defunct company. They own 3 heritage buildings in the area of Fort near GPO. Depression, suicide. came out of suicide, action. Achiever today. She's this year been awarded also the Padma Shri as a woman achiever.
Very good.
Nothing is a failure in life. Nothing is a failure in life. What better story than this?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He was rejected thrice.
हम लोग रिजेक्ट होते हैं इंटरव्यू में, हम लोग कहते हैं यार नौकरी नहीं मिले. मे बी यू आर नॉट बॉर्न टू बी अ सर्वेंट, यू आर बॉर्न टू बी अ रूलर एंड यू वांट टू बी अ सर्वेंट. So God has not given you that job. But you still keep pestering, नहीं यार मेरे को तो नौकरी चाहिए पकी पकाई 31 तारीख या 1 तारीख को तनख्वाह चाहिए. God says to hell with you, take it. So you get stuck up in that naukari of 10, 20, 50,000, 1 lakh rupee a month instead of earning 90 billions.
और नहीं
Facebook
वो WhatsApp का जो
Facebook
Facebook and WhatsApp
Owners
का
of
खरीदा.
WhatsApp.
खरीदा.
Very innocent thing, very innocent newspaper article. The idea I wish to plant in your mind so that you plant it in others is live the life of an artist. Be creative in whatever you do. These boys who are there in the golf course, these caddies जो हम लोग बक्सा उठाते हैं, बैग उठाते हैं, poor people. Majdoor. Some of them have become the best golf players in the country, and how? By innovating golf sticks like this. Normal chhad, normal rod को bend करके, they use it for practice session. Otherwise golf sticks cost
Very good.
thousands and that, and they can't afford it. So they innovate. So lead an artistic life. Keep innovating. Encourage others to innovate. हम लोग क्या कहते हैं भाई मेरे पास तो रिसोर्स नहीं, कैसे करें? God give me some money so that I set up this business. God says you set up this business, I will give you money. आपने देखा होगा लोग यही कहते हैं यार काश
इच्छा है तो रास्ता मिलता है.
रास्ता निकलता है. Where there is a will, there is a way. You have to find a way. And these are available. Person X can do it, person Y can also do it. It's not difficult at all. Not difficult at all.
There is one book in the library I like. That title is Depression is a Choice,
Absolutely.
and it's really true. It's a choice, our choice.
Totally true. Which is why when we are, let's say, suffering from fear, etc., there are just 3 simple steps to it. The first step is imagine what is the worst that can happen. In Fauj, you learn what is the worst that can happen, तो मर जाओ.
मर जाएगा.
वो तो वैसे भी मरना है यार. This is the worst that can happen. What can you do about it now? बिजनेस में धोखा हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, उसने ये नहीं किया, मैंने वो नहीं किया, बॉस ने किया. टेंशन है, सुबह जाता हूँ, बॉस मेरे को गुस्सा करता है. He frightens me the moment I see him. I can't perform, etc., etc., etc. What is the worst that can happen? And what can you do to tackle it? That's the second step. Third step is, given your resources, what you have, oblique the resources that you can create by juggling, by taking from others, etc. What is the best you can do, and then do it.
Do it.
What is the difference between 2 and 3?
Take action. first.
Take action. This is action. Here is what is the worst. what can you do about it?
Your
And then you
choice.
say, I can do only so much, but with his help I may be able to do this much more too. So I juggle oblique marry up the two and then I take action. That's the only difference. Scientifically, all books of analysis say the moment you verbalize your problem, you write down your problem, 60 to 70% of the problems khatam,
Well said.
Yeah, it gets dissolved.
dissolved. Another 20 to 30, 35% go away the moment you start taking action.
Yeah, that's true.
You are left with just about 5% to tackle, and that 5, unless you take action, magnifies many times more. Which is why somewhere the full form of fear, somebody very intelligently had said, false emotions appearing real. सच्चाई है नहीं,
Such
सब
a-
यहाँ है.
or false evidence appears real.
डर हमको डराता है. असल में कोई डरने की चीज नहीं है. वही स्थिति, वही सूरज, वही गर्मी, वही ट्रैफिक, सबके लिए. आपने देखा होगा हवाई जहाज में अब चढ़ते हैं कई लोग ऐसे शुरू में जो पहली बार जहाज चढ़ते हैं कई लोग डरते हैं कि क्या हो गया, लैंड होगा कि नहीं होगा. People are afraid of heights.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Phobias. The only way of overcoming it is to do it. Get through it.
होने वाला होगा.
होगा तो देखी जाएगी, जो होगा तो देखी
Feel
जाएगी.
the fear and do it anyway.
Do it anyway. Absolutely right. We're going to practice one of these things, and shall we choose depression for convenience sake?
Yeah.
Whatever makes you depressed, think about it.
Wrong thinking.
Whatever makes you depressed, we are not going to justify or analyze क्यों होता है for a moment, and we are coming to the cure. And then you consciously put yourself in that state. So if I am depressed, what will happen is, पहले तो मेरा चेहरा मुड़ेगा. I'll no longer be laughing. Even in my natural state, when you can see my 32 teeth, you will not be able to see. You will see me murjaya, chehra, cheeks, this, chin, niche. My shoulders will be like this, drooping. There will be a general demeanor of sadness, lifelessness about you. So put yourself in that state. And since you want to recover from this state, I'll tell you what is to be done and then explain why. Put yourself physically, mentally, अंदर से बाहर से. And when you have reached that peak depressed state which you normally are in, all of a sudden you say, Nagi, wake up! And you adopt a state that you want to be in. चेहरे पे रौनक लाइए. Shake yourself out of that. Keep snapping your fingers. If you want to dance around, just dance around. Just do that. If you want to listen to music, switch on some music. If you want to read a book, read a book. पर्दे खोल डालिए. जो भी करना है, whatever takes you out from that state, you put yourself in that new state that you want to be in. You will see, if you do this about 10 times a day, it will become your habit and you will never be depressed hereafter. You must have seen during sports events, cricket matches, football matches, when a team, even if they are performing well and want to perform better, or are not performing well and want to beat the other, they get around in a circle. अपने आप को स्टेट में डालते हैं, and then all of a sudden they just spring back, and then they go charge up with full. दुश्मन घबरा जाता है. All your negative depression घबरा जाएगा कि ये नागी जो उसके ऊपर मेरा काबू था, अब क्या हो गया इसको? He's giving me no place. This is derived from the very practical aspect of a CD. If you play a CD, ये बहुत अच्छी तरह बजेगी. But if I take a pin or a pen and scratch off the CD ऊपर नीचे, आप इसको बजाएं, कड़क कड़क नहीं बजेगा. You have broken that pattern. The free flow pattern was the pattern of depression. आप पे हावी था, आप पे काबू रखा हुआ था. आपने उसको scratch करके you have broken the pattern, and you will see that you no longer are in depression. Try it out. Shall we do it once, please? Even if you are never depressed, just pretend to be depressed. All of you face the camera now. I want all of you to come in the camera. Please face the camera. Put yourself in the depressed state. खड़े हो जाएं sir. If you find it difficult to stand, please sit down. But look at the camera. Look at the camera. Put yourself in a depressed state. And all of a sudden you spring yourself for 1 minute. Look down. Droop your shoulders. हाथ आगे जैसे आप बेजान हो. The moment I say freeze, spring back to life. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Please sit down. How does it feel? More energetic? सब में छाती में जान आ जाती है. Oxygen आ जाती है. So we are just talking about non-clinical methods. As part of my consultancy, I have a very dear friend who is a shipping magnate coming to me, and he was put on certain tablets for depression. I told him, जब क्या मैं तो डॉक्टर हूँ नहीं, but I definitely know. जब तुम मुझे कहानी सुना रहे, you started with 1 tablet, then you came to 2 tablets a day. Now you are on 3 tablets a day, plus something else. I know only a फौजी तरीका. जैसे सिगरेट छोड़ना हो तो पैकेट उठा के क्रश करके फेंकते हैं, 2, 4, 10, 15 दिन तकलीफ होगी, तो फेंक दे और फिर देखते हैं. एंड डॉक्टर का इमरजेंसी नंबर रखना कि मैंने फेंक दिया, बता क्या करूं. एंड योर डॉक्टर इज मी, नॉट दैट ओरिजिनल डॉक्टर. It's been 17 days he's without medicine and he's feeling fine. He's sleeping well. He's not depressed. I would like to share another beautiful story with you. This is a story from South Africa. We talked about how support system is very important so that we are not depressed, we are not stressed, we don't feel left out. In South Africa, in one of the tribes, if somebody does an oddity, a thing which is bad, either he's been angry, he's killed somebody, or whatever it is, they have a beautiful system of correcting him and making sure that he leads a normal, happy life thereafter. Not of rejection, not of depression, not of discard. That man is brought to the center of the village, and around him the entire village sits. Each villager is supposed to in turn talk about that man, and he will talk only good things about him. Nothing will be fabricated, nothing will be mangadan. Everything good that you know or feel about that person, you are supposed to tell. And they keep doing it one by one by one by one, today, tomorrow, the next day, till there is nothing more good left to be told. Nobody has uttered a bad thing. It is on record that in that village, every man who had done anything wrong has reformed, come out corrected, and has never again done a mistake against society. And such meetings are held once maybe in a year or year and a half or two. So rare are the cases of misdemeanor on the parts of society. Nobody is depressed, everybody is happy. You correct people not with punishment, you correct people with love. To correct me, you don't point out my faults to me, you bring out the goodness in me and psychologically make me live up to the goodness. You have placed so much of trust and raised me to such a pedestal again that I will never fall from. Beautiful tribal story from South Africa. Do that amongst your friends if you wish to.
That is why in